Hi everyone, today we are with the sales manager of A2A Homelands and we are going to ask her a few questions and get to know more about this beautiful project. Hi Simran,
Hi.
can we ask a few questions about this project?
Sure.
What do you think makes A2A Homeland project this unique?
So this project, basically the location is a very unique over here. This is surrounded by acres of lush green spaces, which is very much hard to find within the city limit.
Okay. What are the amenities that you provide and why are they different from any other project?
There are two things which I want to mention. First is the clubhouses. We are providing you 2 clubhouses for 1 lakh SFT built up area, which is again a very rare thing that project these days provide. Second thing is we have a central landscaping concept, which is another like 55,000 SFT built up area, which is based on the yogic concept of 7 chakras of our body.
Okay. So when do you think the project will be completed and when will it be handed over?
So our project completion date is December 2026 and project will receive OC at that time and project will be handed over at that time.
Okay, can you tell me like the current stage of the construction of this project?
So out of the 7 blocks right now, 4 blocks are already finished. The remaining 3 are at early stages at basement level. So we are at a very the construction has advanced, considering that we are having handover next year.
We have heard a lot about this project. Yes. Now I want to know how this construction is innovative and how the construction is different from others.
So we are going ahead with MyWin technology. Basically, it is complete concrete walls that is going to be there. And generally builders go ahead with this one because of the durability, the life of the building is increased up to 90 years. This is also seismic resistant. So that is why we are going ahead with this kind of technology.
So how much of this venture has open space and how much are we using it for the blocks?
So we are providing you actual 80% open to sky spaces, 20% concrete and 16% green spaces in this project.
So what type of flats are available?
Here the starting SFT starts from 1700 and it goes up to SFT of 2260. It is a complete 3 BHK project.
So what provisions are made for water facilities?
So we do have borewells for this particular project and we are taking a separate Manjeera connection from the water board directly.
Now, if we talk about security, can you tell me how is this 24/7 security going to be operated?
So we will have CCTV cameras installed at every location in this project. And there will be like certain apps that we'll give to our customers also. Through once they approve a customer, once they approve someone who is coming to their home, only then will allow. And 24/7 this security people are going to be there.
Okay, so the security is going to be pretty tight. Yes. And it's going to be safe.
Yes. And
for
apart
everyone.
from that, we also have this electrical fencing which is going to be surrounding this entire project.
Oh, that's amazing. Can you tell me a little more about this electrical fencing?
So it will be done on the this entire boundaries of this particular project, so that no one can like jump up the compound wall or nothing like that should happen.
Okay, I'm very impressed with the safety part. So I heard about these 7 chakras. Can you elaborate a little on it?
So like this is based on a yogic concept that every individual, they have 7 chakras in their body. So it was our MD sir idea. He wanted to incorporate this well-beingness in our project. So each point over here in our landscaping, we will be having different things like lotus pond area with sitting area, and lily pond area with yoga deck center, water splash area, then dolphin fountain statue with staircase sitting arrangements, then some kind of butterfly garden area, picnic lawn area, herb gardens, skating rink, and an outdoor fitness gym. So all these 7, we are combining it in 55,000 SFT built up area.
Okay, 55,000 SFT of just all of this.
Just the landscaping part.
Landscaping part. That's really very beautiful. Can you explain to me a little about the amenities that are related to sports?
So we do have outdoor activities which includes basketball court, futsal, volleyball court, cricket net area, lawn tennis area. Apart from that, we'll also be having like pets park area, hurdle parks over here. So they'll be a part of phase 2. Once phase 2 will be handed over, these will become accessible.
So on the whole, can you tell me how many towers are actually there in this venture?
On 18 acres of land, there are 12 towers. But right now on phase 1, there are going to be 7 towers in total of G+16 and G+17.
Can buyers make changes during the construction process?
We can't allow that actually because we don't because this entire construction, first thing is by MyWin technology. So you cannot make any modifications in the walls. Second thing is, we are not taking individual customizations because it is again going to be a really big task, because we have 1158 units over here in total.
So can you talk to me about these parking facilities? Like, even though we go to big projects anywhere in Hyderabad, parking is a little bit, even for the visitors,
Yeah.
and it's a little bit difficult.
Yes.
I want to know how special is A2A Homelands in regards to parking?
So we are providing you 2 and 3 level basements over here. So up to 2 level basement, it is for the customers who are booked over here. The third level basement we are providing for visitors car parking up to 150 to 180. It will be a covered car parking, and yeah.
So I just wanted to know about the single entrance and exit of this project.
Sure. So actually, why we have done that is because we don't allow any vehicle movement on a ground floor.
Okay.
So straight away, when you are entering, you'll be going within the basements for your parking. So it is going to be a connected basements for you to go to your block, park, and take the elevator. That is keeping in mind the safety of kids and elderly people to roam around. It is safe. We do have ramps, extra ramps, which is surrounding this project. In case of any emergency, those ramps can be utilized. But as of now, only one entry and exit is going to be there.
So wouldn't that one entry and exit make it a little clustered for the vehicles to move in and out? Can you tell me about the maintenance structure?
So we are charging rupees 4 per SFT per month. For 2 years in advance, we'll be taking care of the project. After that, it will be handed over to resident association.
And also, I wanted to know about the connectivity. How
Yeah.
convenient is the connectivity?
This location is very convenient. It is at a center of Hyderabad. So near to this location, just 4.5 kilometer away, metro is there. You will find everything from cabs, autos, bikes, everything from here also, like Ubers, Rapido, Ola, everything will be available over here. Connectivity wise, it is interconnected. Just 4.5 kilometers, you'll be reaching towards this Mumbai highway, and from there you can go on. So all major places like High Tech City, Begumpet, all these things are nearly like 12 to 13 kilometers away from us.
So yeah, which means that this is the center of
This is
the
the center,
city, and
yes.
like you can go anywhere like in
Yes.
15 minutes
Yes,
max.
right.
So I also wanted to know about the lifts and their capacities, like how many lifts you've got, how comfortable it's going to be.
So we have 3 passenger lift and 1 service lift in each block. And capacity wise, it is going to be 15 to 17% per lift capacity we are going to have.
So can you tell me your actual USP of your flats?
Sure. So as I mentioned before, it starts with 1700 SFT and it goes up to 2260. The main USP over here is, even if you go with the 1700 SFT also, you are getting a huge balcony, which is approximately 6.5 by 11 feet, which is very much big, so that you can actually sit with your family and enjoy the view of the open spaces, which we are providing in this particular project. So we have 3 kind of views: open views like the acres of green spaces, and the central view that we are creating this landscaping. And the third view is again an open view towards the roadside.
Oh.
So you can enjoy that view with your family, even if you go with a 1700 SFT. And as you move ahead with the SFTs, they increase. So additional balconies will be added in the rooms like that.
So it was really nice meeting you,
Thank
and
you.
we are actually very impressed with the project. The project has so many luxurious amenities and it is so affordable, and I really think it's worth at least visiting once and be a part of Raghuram family.